Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Mantri Energia project, which is located at Manyata Tech Park, Hebbal Bangalore. So this is the view of project model. This project is built across 11.5 acres of land. And carries 10 number of towers with 19 floors each. This project is having 70% open space, it consists of 888 number of units. So now we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. So this is the main entrance gate. And here comes the living room. So this is the spacious living room with beautiful interior work. And here comes the kitchen area. So this is the modular kitchen with separate utility area. So this is the view of utility area. Now this is the dining area. And this is a common washroom. Now here comes the first bedroom of this flat. Here you can see the wardrobe section. So as you can see, the room is very spacious and skillfully designed. Now this is the view of another washroom. And here comes the kids' room. A separate room designed for kids. Now this is the view of another bedroom. The spacious bedroom with an attached washroom. So this is the view of attached washroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.